What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to fix this error in Forza Horizon 4, where basically it's saying unable to connect to the live configuration servers or unable to connect to Forza Horizon 4. Don't worry, they didn't take the servers down. There's just an issue that basically means that you'll have to log in and log out again, or log out and log in again. So instead of doing Horizon Solo, which is another thing you can do to play the game if this doesn't work, you can do retry again, and basically that means you have to actually try to do that again, and then it lets you know. So there's the error again, it happened instantly, so retry is not going to work. Again, I want to stress, worst case, if what we do doesn't work, you can also play Horizon Solo, and then it's going to create a bunch of drive avatars in the lobby for you that look like real players that you can crash into, do one-on-ones with. So it's not that bad if you play Horizon Solo, but anyways, let's get back to the point of the video. So we're going to have to actually exit to desktop really quick, and then we're going to have to launch the game again. So let's launch it again. And then what I'm going to do is sign out on the main screen and then sign back in. So we're just going to see how that works. Sometimes that's all you need for these Horizon servers, but apparently this isn't an issue in Horizon 5, so this is just for Horizon 4. Just got to get through these screens here. Alright, so I am at the start screen finally, so I can press A, or actually let me click on the screen, press A on my controller, and here's where we want to sign out. Are you sure you want to sign out? Yes. Okay, we've signed out. Game is now restarting. Alright, I've cut back to the start screen again. We're at the start screen now. Now we have to just sign in with Xbox again. So let's just do that. I'm going to cut to after this is done. Okay, so I've signed in with my Xbox account. I've blurred out my email here, and I'm going to click Let's Go. And now let's do continue. Let's load into the game. So clearly it works to sign in with an Xbox account, so we can hit some kind of, server, at least from Forza's side, some kind of Microsoft server, because this was made by Microsoft, this game. Okay, let's load into the game and let's actually try to connect to online. Let's see what happens. Get out of my house here. Connect to Horizon Life. Finding a Horizon Life session. And I've just cut, and now finally it actually found an online session for me. I'm joining it, and now I can actually see real drive avatars, and the biggest thing is I can do the Super 7 again, because Super 7 is actually disabled when you don't have online play, but when you have it, you can actually play the Super 7, because it takes challenges from people online, so it's community created challenges. So yeah, guys, hopefully you found this video helpful. Again, from a high level, all you have to do is just sign out from this from the main screen. So make sure you exit the game, go back to the main screen, sign out, sign back in with your Xbox account, and then you'll be able to play Horizon Life again. So, or play online again, rather. So that's how you fix this in Horizon 4. It's annoying. I've ran into this a few times. Thought I'd just make a video on it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.